Hello everyone! Today we're gonna unbox POCHAR's G6-H under-desk steel safe box. As you can see, this is manufactured and sold by our very own brand, POCHAR. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Keypad instructions included, we'll take a look at that later. All four corners are protected to ensure the steel safe box will arrive to you safely. All sides are protected by padding foams as well. The bag is a little bit slippery, so be sure to grab the corners of the steel safe box when taking it out. If you have any questions, our contact information is on this sticker. Made with heavy-duty steel and weighs 13 pounds. The default password is 1234. You can change it to your own passcode later. Comes with 2 layers of storage, so you can put a lot of items. Rubber mats included. The rails provide smooth gliding when opening and closing the steel safe box. Hardware is included for mounting the steel safe box under your desk. The electric keypad lock does not need any keys. All corners and sides are pry-resistant. Extremely well built and very durable. The batteries for the keypad are already installed inside. If you need to change the batteries in the future, use the pin included. You can also use a USB if you prefer not to use the batteries. Quick access and easy opening. Shop now at pochar.com or give us a call at 909-930-0998.